Dear friends, now we are going to know about the Directory of Open Access Journals. It's popularly called as DOAJ. DOAJ is a portal or a platform where we can get freely available journal articles apart from all the countries and different subjects. So in DOAJ we can find 14,748 journals as of now, and these articles and journals are contributed by 133 countries. So here in this DOAJ website we have the option called browse subject. So if you go to the browse subject option, here you can able to see the journal articles available in different subjects like agriculture, auxiliary science of history, bibliography, library science, information resources. So if you click on that agriculture, so now you can able to see that on agriculture 73,826 records are available. So if you by clicking these subjects, you can able to find how many records are available on individual subject. So the main part of this DOAJ is that you can how to search the article in the DOAJ. In DOAJ, you can able to search the article with simple search and advanced search also. So you can able to search the article with subject wise. So you can able to see here the subject wise articles are listed here. So if you once you click to the medicine, you can able to see only the medical science related, medicine related articles and journal articles are listed. So you can able to search the journal has DOAJ official seal, means authenticated journals with DOAJ's authenticated seal, and you can also search with journal license, and you can able to search with the publisher if you want to search with the reputed publisher like that Elsewhere and Zenodo. So you can able to search with the publisher also. So once you go through this DOAJ website, you can able to know its future, and I would like to suggest that this is the best website and platform for the academician student who not able to offer or buy a research article from commercial vendor. Thank you.